Evans farmers, Katie Adams here at Earth Dance Organic Farm School. Excited to announce a 2-day market gardening workshop we'll be hosting here on our farm and here in Ferguson, Missouri. And we have 2 days of really amazing workshops focused on increasing your productivity, increasing your efficiency, and increasing your profitability on farms. So this is a 2-day workshop taught by farmers, specifically for farmers and growers. So what are we going to be covering in this workshop? We're going to be covering appropriate tool technology, such as what's happening here in our tunnel. We're going to be talking about lean farming techniques, crop planning for success, intensive cropping, high tunnel growing, like what we see behind us here, as well as workshops on marketing, how to grow your farm and how to grow your brand, as well as Fearless Farm Financials. So please check us out on Facebook. There's a Facebook event for this. There's a website, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. See you soon.